Alright, so I'm at one of my properties right now and we just had windows installed and I don't want anyone seeing into the construction site, so I am going to install frost on the windows and I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's hop into it.
There's a few things in this project that you're going to need to complete it, and for the first thing I'm going to be using an old spray bottle with some water in it, along with a squeegee, a tape measure, a knife, and the film itself. I am going to show the first section of this video in real time, so bear with me. The first thing I do is measure the window so I can cut out the first piece. What I'm doing is measuring 1/4 of an inch or so bigger than the window so that when I spray it on, I'm able to just trim it down so it fits perfectly. After I have everything measured, I open up the film, spread it out, and cut the pieces needed. Now in order to cut this, I used my pocket knife. However, I would suggest using scissors or something similar just so you get a more accurate cut. After I have my pieces cut, I sprayed the window down with water in order for the vinyl to stick, and I spread it out and apply it to the window. Once I have the piece stuck to the window, I begin working the water upwards in order to get it out from the top and down the side. And as I'm doing this, I slowly start to work downwards in order to work all the air bubbles out. And as I'm doing that, it's just bonding to the window. Once I work out all of the bubbles, I take my knife and I carefully cut across where the glass meets the plastic casing so that I have a perfect fit.
All right, so this is the finished product. When I was putting this on, I was having some issues with the top and the bottoms on both sides peeling off. So I had to tape it, unfortunately. So it doesn't look the best, but it's only temporary, so I'm not too concerned about it. I do think that the cold was causing all this. So with that being said, I do think that I could have fixed this problem of the peeling by just using a heat gun and warming it up. I think that would have stopped it from peeling back. So if you're doing this at home, just make sure you have the right tools, I guess. I didn't include that, and I also didn't expect it to happen, but like I said, this is just going to be a temporary thing until the units are done. If you like the little projects that I've been taking on, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.